Today, we're counting down the top 3 Autel OBD2 scanners that every car enthusiast and professional mechanic should know about. Whether you want an affordable tool or the ultimate diagnostic powerhouse, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Autel Maxiss MiZ906Pro. Diagnostics with the Autel Maxiss MiZ906Pro scan tool. Get ready to witness the power and precision that this tool brings to the table. And this is the Autel Maxiss MiZ906Pro review. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. Let's kick things off with the sleek design and user-friendly interface of the Autel Maxiss MiZ906Pro. With its 8-inch touchscreen display, this tool provides a clear and intuitive platform for efficient navigation through various diagnostic functions. 2020 for VIR MiZ906Pro scanner based on the Autel MiZ906BT and made strong upgrades in hardware, sharing the same hardware with MK808P, 23GB A+1 7GB octa-core, 128GB 4GB memory, Android 7.0 OS, 1920x1200 HD8 touchscreen, 11,600 mAh rechargeable battery, and 16MP rear 5MP front cameras. MaxiCOM MK808S wireless Bluetooth accelerates the communication between the MiZ906Pro scan tool with a vehicle. Now, let's talk features. The Autel Maxiss MiZ906Pro is not just a scanner, it's a powerhouse. With its extensive vehicle coverage, this tool supports more than 80 vehicle makes and models, making it a versatile choice for any automotive professional. Full system diagnostics, say goodbye to guessing games. Read and clear. Trouble codes. The MiZ906Pro can scan all systems of your car, from the engine and transmission to the ABS and airbags. This gives you a complete picture of what's going on under the hood, so you can pinpoint problems quickly and accurately. Bidirectional control. This is where the MiZ906Pro really shines. Unlike basic scanners that can only read codes, the MiZ906Pro can actually send commands to your car's systems. This means you can activate components, like pumps and solenoids, to test their functionality and narrow down the source of an issue. 36+ service functions. The MiZ906Pro isn't just for troubleshooting. It also includes a suite of common service functions, like oil resets, brake bleeding, and DPF regeneration. This saves you time and money by letting you perform these tasks yourself without having to take your car to the dealership. Advanced features. The MiZ906Pro is packed with even more goodies, like ADAS calibration support, battery and charging system analysis, and TPMs functionality. These features make it a truly versatile tool for any automotive enthusiast. Say goodbye to cumbersome cables. The Autel Maxiss MiZ906Pro comes equipped with advanced wireless connectivity, allowing you to diagnose and troubleshoot without the hassle of tangled wires. Plus, with regular software updates, you'll always have access to the latest features and improvements. Live data streaming is a game changer, providing real-time information about various vehicle parameters. Whether you're monitoring engine performance, checking sensor data, or troubleshooting specific issues, the MiZ906Pro's live data feature gives you an edge in diagnostics. MiZ906Pro bidirectional scan tool covers 80+ makes worldwide that have the capability to negotiate with 140+ vehicle brands. Support 10,000+ models of American, Asian, and European. Here are some pros and cons about Autel Maxiss MiZ906Pro. Pros: comprehensive diagnostics, advanced ECU coding, 36+ special service functions, bidirectional control, CAN or DOIP support, user-friendly interface, rugged build, Android 10 operating system, wide vehicle coverage, constant software updates. Cons: learning curve. The abundance of features requires some time and effort to master. In conclusion, the Autel Maxiss MiZ906Pro scan tool combines power, precision, and versatility, making it a top choice for automotive professionals. Its user-friendly interface, extensive vehicle coverage, and advanced features set it apart in the world of diagnostic tools. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a car enthusiast, the Miz 906 Pro is a valuable asset for diagnosing and maintaining vehicles with unparalleled efficiency. At number 2, we have the Autel MaxiCOM MK808S, one of the most popular mid-range scanners Autel has ever made.
The Autel MaxiCOM MK808S. If you're looking for a scanner that gives you dealer-level diagnostics without the dealer-level price tag, this might be it. As the 2025 upgraded version of MaxiCheck MX808, our newest MK808S auto diagnostic scanner for all cars inherits the powerful bidirectional control, which makes it the most cost-effective auto scanner. Active Test is widely used on car subsystems to help you check if the car actuators are all in good condition, such as windows, rear mirrors, sunroof, wipers, etc. MK808S dealer-level scanner, like Snap-on tools, effectively works all cars for all system diagnostics. It reads and clears codes, provides ECU info, displays 5 in 1 live data, performs active tests, and special functions for all available modules. With a few clicks, you can easily understand the vehicle's condition. The convenient Wi-Fi printing feature allows you to generate a detailed report, highlighting the exact nature of the problem. Autel Autel OBD2 Scanners MK808S, full level up of MX808, work as MX900, 900 Malawian Kwaches, MK900BT, supports 150-plus car brands worldwide and FCA AutoAuth. Like the OBD2 code reader MaxiCOM MK808BT Pro, MK808S is equipped with 28-plus hot services, including oil reset, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coating, battery registration, etc. MK808S ranks top in professional automotive tablets and keeps updating to support more newer modes from 2023 to 2025. As the largest Autel officially certified seller on Amazon for 10 years, we prioritize user experience and strive to meet your expectations. If you have any questions, please reach out Telephone Receiver Motorzone US at Outlook.com Telephone Receiver for assistance. We are available 24/7, 365 to support you and offer the following: a 1-year brand warranty, 12-month free updates, lifetime technical support, and free return and replacement policy. Pros: wide vehicle coverage, tons of service functions, easy to use, affordable. And cons: no coding or programming for most models. Updates require a yearly subscription after the first year. So, is the Autel MK808S worth it? If you're a serious DIYer, small shop owner, or even just someone who wants to save on diagnostics, absolutely. It packs serious punch without breaking the bank. Just know it's not meant to replace pro-level tools like the Ultra or MS906.
And at number 1, the ultimate scanner on our list, the Autel Maxiss Elite 2 Pro.
The Autel Maxiss Elite 2 Pro. Whether you're a seasoned technician or just starting out, this tool could seriously level up your workflow. The Elite 2 Pro is Autel's flagship diagnostic tablet, combining top-tier hardware with intelligent software to give you dealer-level access to a wide range of vehicles. Autel Elite 2 Pro is the most cost-effective scanner yet. Software update: J2534 ECU programming, advanced ECU coding, 3,000 plus active tests, OE all system diagnose, 45 plus services, VAG guided CAN FD and DOP, auto scan 2.0 VIN OD meter check, etc. Premium hardware: 10.0 OS, faster 8-core CPU, 4G and 128G, 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, 11,000 mAh battery, faster and smoother. 2025 new added battery test, FCA Auto Auth, pre- and post-comparison diagnosis report, and Wi-Fi print. It allows you into ECU enter to execute, programming backup restoration, initial startup control module replacement, process to renew upgrade to latest vehicle software for Benz and BMW. Autel Elite 2 Pro supports ECU coding for 99% vehicles to refresh modules, disable useless functions. 2025 new Ver Elite 2 Pro supports massive 3,000+ active tests and 40+ service. More repair options for car garage, large auto repair shop. It can transmit commands to ECUs and perform 3,000+ actuator tests like cooling fan, AC clutch on-off, compression test, ABS motor pump, personalized etc. 40+ services. Oil reset, EPB, SAS, AF setting, throttle, suspension, headlamp, injector coating, power balance, BMS reset etc. 2025 new Motor True Speed Repair is a brand new smart diagnose to speed repair. It supports check OEM data near-time OEM revision updates, integrate API for targeted integration by vehicle and search term, advanced search capabilities, TSB, component location diagram, wiring diagram, DDC, OEM position statements, maintenance schedule specifications. You can purchase Motor True Speed Repair function according to your needs. AutoScan 2.0, GM8S, BMW, Ford, Chrysler 10s, PSA, Renault, Hyundai, Kia 15s, FCA, and Renault AutoAuth to bypass SGW to perform workflow on for 2018 and later FCA cars Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Alfa Romeo, Fiat, and newest Renault. Battery test, endoscope features Wi-Fi print, pre-post scan, Autel Cloud Management, VAG guided generates step-by-step repair instructions for VW, Audi, Skoda, MAN LD, Bentley. Autel Elite 2 Pro comes with 2-year free software updates to keep software at the leading. It only displays 1-year update after registration. Autel will upgrade to 2-year update within 5 to 7 working days. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: powerful hardware, large display, advanced capabilities, intelligent topology mapping, VCI with wireless connectivity. And cons: high price point, size and portability, subscription cost after 2 years. So, is the Autel MaxiSys Elite 2 Pro worth it? If you need cutting-edge diagnostics, dealer-level capabilities, and a future-proof tool, absolutely yes. Check the links in the description for pricing and current deals.
If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.